Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make crab rangoons. First, chop up some green onions and put them in a medium-sized bowl. Next, chop up your imitation crab and put them in the same bowl with your green onions. Now add some cream cheese to your bowl and add your garlic powder and soy sauce. Now mix everything together. Now it's time to put our egg roll together. Brush some water on the edges of your egg roll. Add your cream cheese mixture to the middle of the egg roll. Now take one corner and fold it towards your cream cheese mixture and pinch the edges. Next, take one of the sides, fold it towards your mixture and pinch the edges, and then repeat the same step with your other side. Now take the three sides and roll it, as you can see here in the video. And there, that's how you make your egg rolls. Repeat this step with all your egg rolls. Now heat up some oil and fry your egg rolls until they're golden brown. When your egg rolls are done frying, serve with sweet chili sauce. Done. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Bye!